Hi friends, you all peoples are again welcome in this series of introduction to the pharmaceutical industry. Up to the previous episode, we had seen the various departments which are involved in the manufacturing of pharmaceutical products. Afterward, we had seen the material movement in the pharmaceutical manufacturing plant, that is raw material inward to the finished product outward. Today we will see the various department and their roles in the manufacturing plant. So one by one we will see the department and their role in a detail. First of all, HR and admin. Administration department has a particularly administration role in the manufacturing plant. They control all administration activities. They controls transport, canteen facility, security facility, laundry, change room practices. All these activities are controlled by the administration department, and particularly the discipline in the manufacturing plant is controlled by the administration department. Next one is the HR. HR department has a very important role in the manufacturing plant, just like recruitment of employees, recruitment of contract employees, then maintaining the in time and out time, means time office is also under control of HR department. Then all the employee data, their salaries are under control of the HR department. Next one is production planning and control. Production planning and control department has an important role. They takes the market requirement, and according to the market requirement, they prepare a plan in coordination with the production department for the manufacturing. Which products we have to manufacture in upcoming month, upcoming quarter, or in upcoming year. Production planning and control department has a very important role from start of manufacturing to the dispatch of manufactured product. They peoples, according to the manufacturing plan, procure the raw material as well as the packaging material in coordination with the purchase department. They also takes the follow-up of receipt of material, sampling of material, testing of material, release of material, issuance of process order, execution of the manufacturing activity, execution of the in-process sampling and in-process testing, and their release. They continuous in the follow-up of the manufacturing and packaging activity. After completion of this packaging, they takes the follow-up for the dispatch. This is the major role of the production planning and the control department. Next one is the quality assurance department. Quality assurance is a very important department in the pharmaceutical industry. This department gives the assurity of the for the quality of the product which is manufactured in the manufacturing pharmaceutical manufacturing plant. In this quality assurance department, there are the various sub departments just like a IPQA, that is in process quality assurance department, quality assurance doc cell. This department maintains all the documents. Next one is a quality assurance for the QAMS. Next one is a ITQA, that is the requirement for the information technology. Then next one is a batch release QA. Then next one is a QA for the market complaint, QA for the change control. So these are the subsections of the quality assurance department. IPQA plays a role for the line clearance, in-process checks, in-process sampling in the manufacturing area. QAMS handles the QAMS activity just like incident and change control, deviations, etc. Market complaint department, market complaint quality assurance handles the complaints which are comes from the markets and takes the CAPA accordingly and handle the CAPA accordingly. Such type of QA plays an important role in the manufacturing plant. Next one is a QC. QC also has a different sections for the raw material testing QC, in process check, in process quality control, and finished product quality control, and stability quality control. So these are the different subsections of the quality control department. Also, the packaging material testing quality control is there. It tests all the raw material which is required for the packaging activity. So these are the subsections of the quality control. Next one is the warehouse. Warehouse also has a different sections for the raw material warehouse, finished product warehouse, warehouse for the solvent storage, and warehouse for the engineering material storage. So all the warehouse also plays important role for the storage of the material at the different stages. Next one is a production department. Production is the heart of manufacturing plant. In production, there are the different departments, different subsections, just like a granulation, compression, coating, packaging in case of the tablet. In case of the encapsulation, there is a granulation, encapsulation, inspection, and a packaging. In tablet also, after completion of compression and coating, there is inspection activity for the sorting of the rejected tablets. Next one is a PDL department, that is product development lab. This department plays an important role to set the new product. After completion of the R&D trials at the R&D level, when that product we have to launch at the plant level, then to execute the scale-up batches, to execute the exhibit batches, and to get converted into the commercial product, to take a validation batches, this PDL department plays an important role. Also, for launching the site transfer product or a new launch product, this product development lab plays an important role, and also it plays an important role in a validation activities. Next one is a purchase department. Purchase department in coordination with the another plants. The purchase department in coordination with the different departments helps to procure the raw material. Next one is a EHS department. EHS means Environment, Health and Safety Department. This department plays an important role in the manufacturing plant to maintain the environment, to maintain the health of the employee, to maintain the safety of the employee as well as facility as well as the product. This department also controls the OHC department, that is the Occupational Health Center. Means, is there any uncomfort or illness to the employee, that employee get immediately tested by the OHC department in the manufacturing plant. In respective to the employee, EHS department helps or give the awareness to the employee and all the staff with respect to the personal protective equipment. For safety from the equipment, it gives the various interlocks, safety interlocks to the equipment, and those scrap which is generated or those hazardous waste which is generated in the plant get treated in the effluent treatment plant by the EHS department. Means these activities are under control of the EHS department. So this is also a very important department with respect to the safety of environment, health of the employee. Next one is a training department. Training department plays an important role to train the employee at a different level. Whenever there is a recruitment for the new employee, all these employee first of all undergoes a training, required training as per the schedule or as per the pre-decided protocol. So training department provide the training to the new employee as well as when there is a revision in the document, just like a standard operating procedure or as per the schedule of training. So training plays an important role to train the peoples with respect to all the systems and all the day-to-day changes documents. Next one is the IT, that is the Information Technology Department. Information Technology Department controls a data which is generated from the different machines. They helps in the controlling of the various manufacturing machines with respect to the software and hardware. IT department always take a backup from the different machines and they has an important role to store this data by taking the backup at various time interval. Also, IT department helps in implementation of the day-to-day newly launched projects and implementation of their with respect to the new technology. Next one is the finance department. This finance department has an important role with respect to the money, approval of the various costing for the day-to-day requirement in the manufacturing plant, as well as the provides the approval for the new upcoming projects. The finance department has an important role. Next one is the RA, that is a regulatory affair. This department particularly plays an important role with respect to the coordination in the regulatory agency and the manufacturing plant. Also provide the license from the product license from the licensing authority, as well as regulatory agency plays an important role for the communication from the regulatory agency to the manufacturing plant. Next one is a engineering department. Engineering is a very important department which is supportive to the all activities which is carried out at the manufacturing plant. Particularly HVAC, heat ventilation and air conditioning is maintained by the engineering department. Purified water which is required for the manufacturing activity is also maintained by the engineering department. Then support to the production department, then attending to the breakdowns, then preventive maintenance of the machineries, then maintaining of the utility is also maintained by the engineering department. Utility with respect to the steam generation, compressor generation are particularly maintained by the engineering department. Purified water generation, sanitation of the purified water loops, generation of purified water, their testing and their maintenance is done by the engineering department. Whenever there is a manufacturing activity carried out and if there is any machine in breakdown, that is immediately attended by the engineering person to overcome the problem and to attend to solve the breakdown. In this way, in the running activity, engineering department plays an important role. Also, with respect to the preventive maintenance, engineering department has a schedule for the preventive maintenance of the various machineries and plays an important role to carry out the preventive maintenance to avoid any breakdown during the running activity. So this is the important role of the engineering department. So such a way, these all departments have an important role to run a manufacturing plant. In this way, when these all departments togetherly when work in one single team, we can run a manufacturing plant in a very smooth manner. So this is the various department and their different role we had seen in this episode. Thank you.